thank y'all. Thank you. To my family and friends for making the trek, thank you. For your love, for your words, thank you. For the journey we shall continue on, thank you. Let us stand for this benediction. It feels like a great honor that I get to do this with one of my best friends. And you all have heard many sayings from Grandma Boone. One of my faves, if you let the devil ride, he'll want to drive. And so when we were putting this together, there was no one else that I wanted to add this blessing as we go out into this world with. So Grandma. All right, you remember your part?
When you go, go with the Lord.
Go with the God who created you in love and grace and dirt from the ground. The God who took you and molded you and formed you and transformed you and breathed into your nostrils life and love and joy and peace and justice and community and reconciliation, and go out into this world and exhale. Go in peace.